today to a pond neither one of us has fished before, but it looks promising on Google Maps, and I think we're going to be in for a good evening. Well, like I said, this is our first time at this pond, and like I said, on the maps there was a few brooks that flowed into it, and this being one of them. Look, Jason got the fly rod brought, so if we do good, he might take it, fly rod out, and just try it. But looks promising. Alright, well, we've been fishing this pond for probably 15-20 minutes or so, and no luck yet. Where the brook dumped out, it wasn't really deep, but I'm working my way around and it seems like it's getting deeper, so I'll give it a shot anyway. Got one! Alright guys, well, we got our first trout of the day. He's a lively one. Beautiful, beautiful brook trout. Probably a panner. But we're going to let this guy go. A lot of gear. There you go guys, he's no monster, but nice little brook trout, nice little pan size. See if we get a few more of them. I let one go, probably a little smaller than this one, but he fought a little harder, so I decided to keep him. Keep him, we'll get a meal. Alright, well Glenn's on the board. Seemed to like that orange and gold. Glenn got hit about 5 or 6 times and just got one, so perfect. See if we get a few more for a meal. Oh, nice one. Hi guys, well that's trout number 3, a little smaller than 1 and 2 I think, but we're gonna get enough here now for a meal, and he'll go good in the pan with some scrunchins and flour, I'm sure. Alright, well that's the 3 trout we caught so far. They almost look like sea runs. They're really shiny. They're not big by any means, but pan size, and that's what we're looking for. Looking for a few pan size trout. I'm gonna head back here now and get my other battery from my GoPro and get my drone. I'm gonna fly the drone a little bit over the pond before Sun goes behind the hills. Been a good evening so far. Managed to catch a few trout. And yeah, looking forward to catch a few more. Well guys, the sun is setting here now over the hills. Fishing seemed to die off. Like I said again, it's a pond we never fished before. So we've been working our way down the shoreline, managed to get 4, kept 3, and see now as the sun goes over the hill, see if it makes the fishing a little bit better. Picking up.
Oh, there goes half of my worm. Cut through the backbone, up through here, fingering over the top, nip the 2 fins. And there you go.
Is he red or what?
Nice shot.
Is he?
Yes, real nice.
I've never seen the bag there. The bag is so camouflaged.
That's that new view.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head out now, and sun's setting over the hills, and we kind of bushwhacked to get to this pond, so we don't want to bushwhack in the dark on the way out. And I'm gonna get home now. I'm gonna fry one of them up. Been a long time since I had a trout fried in scrunchins and that, so I got 2 kept from my buddy, and I got 1 more in the freezer for him. So I'm gonna take one of these here today and fry 'em up. It's gonna be good, and stay tuned for that. Alright y'all, we just got home from the pond, and I'm going to take the smallest trout and fry it up. Looking forward to it. Going to put some salt pork here now, roll the fish in flour, and get to frying. Alright y'all, it's time for a little catch and cook. Skin is nice and crispy, and we're gonna get a little bite of that trout. A little bite first. Got a little bit of that pork scrunching in there. So that does it for another video, guys. I'm gonna sit back now and pick at the rest of this trout and really enjoy it. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, more catch and cooks, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.